This tutorial covers the ironing board caddy, which is the second project in the Winter Club through Renee's House of Quilting. The material list does not give you the yardage for the backing piece. You can get this from the half yard tan dot that's listed. That is what they used for the binding. This diagram shows you how to get those pieces from that half yard. Spray baste your 3 pieces together, your back, your batting, and your front. Use a walking foot to quilt the 3 layers together. The seam is pressed open after you sew your pocket lining and pocket front together. Completing the caddy, steps 7 through 9 are shown here. This is the insert that I made from batting, leaving an opening for stuffing. Once you have your pincushion completed, put the other piece of Velcro over the hook and loop side so that it doesn't get stuck to everything.